Okay guys, before we begin, can we give a round of applause once again to the band? I think they've segued wonderfully, yeah. Thank you guys. Hey guys, my name is Ganesha. I am the founder of a club called the Happiness Club. And with me I have Eugene Mark. He's the project coordinator for the initiative that we're going to talk about. Basically, we are here to create an awareness of the situation that's happening in Australia. There's a massive bushfire happening in Victoria, and we have pamphlets with us, and we're just here to create awareness and tell you what you can do about the situation. So what is the Happiness Club? Is it just a group of people laughing away and being extremely happy? Actually, how this club came about was in end 2008. I had some personal tragedies in my life and it temporarily crippled me. There was a point where I thought that I couldn't go on, so I felt like giving up. And then suddenly something dawned on me. If this was happening to me, it could be happening to someone else. With this thought in mind, I and a group of people, we started the Happiness Club. So the initiative of the Happiness Club is very simple. It's just about spreading happiness anywhere and everywhere. So I'm going to get Eugene to talk about the initiative.
And yeah, we would like to spread happiness to the victims of the Australian forest fires. Basically, we are not here to collect money, but we're here to promote awareness. And on this pamphlet, we would like to show the address, the HTML address of how you could donate to the Australian Red Cross. And so, fortunate people like us will always donate to the Australian Red Cross. And as it stands right now, 1,831 homes were destroyed in Victoria. That toll will stand at 181. And fires have destroyed at least 922 homes. So the Happiness Movement would like to have the dear patrons of Highlander to obey 30 seconds of silence in honor of the victims of the Victorian bushfire.
That's right, guys, please. We just need a 30 seconds of silence just for us to give a respect for the victims. Please, guys. Thank you so very, very much. I hope you guys cooperate with us right now. Thank you very, very much. 30 seconds of silence and pray for them. Thank you very, very much, please.
Thank you.
Okay guys, thank you very much. We need to thank two very important groups that made this possible for us when everyone else said no to us. One is this beautiful pub, Highlander. Thank you very much, the staff and management of Highlander. Thank you for telling us it is possible and for motivating us. We really appreciate it. And the other one is our sponsor, the Marcus Asia Group, who very helpfully helped pay for our brochures because it is all coming out from our own pocket. So thank you very much, Marcus Asia and Highlander Club. Thank you.
They are very supportive guys, you know. It's hard to find guys like them. Can help all the victims. You know, I hope you guys can donate some of it. We're all not rich person, but you know, what if we are in their positions? So I hope you guys can think about that. Thank you very, very much. Alright, we're gonna move on. We're gonna do something from